Alright, so surprise, surprise, I'm here again because I got a couple of things. The onion bread is ready. First I want to show you, I made these loaves after I left you guys. So I didn't make them all flat. I made these 2 loaves, so these are not ready. They're still super soft. So they're not ready yet. Then, this is what it looks like. And you see, it's still flexible, this one. That's how you want it. Today, I'm going to make a sandwich. And yesterday, I kind of dropped the ball. I was telling you a story, and then somehow it got discombobulated, and I never finished. So while I was in Sarasota and met these wonderful ladies, we went to a restaurant downtown Sarasota called Ioni's, and they have this amazing onion bread sandwich that was out of this world. So I think I went there 3 times, and we ordered it all 3 times, and we split it. So, knowing that I had an onion bread recipe that I've been working on for a while, I was like, I'm going to make that as soon as I get home. So, here I am with the flexible onion bread. So, I'm going to use this whole disc for a sandwich. Another one that's also ready. And I don't care that it's got jaggedy edges and that it's going to break apart probably. See, look, there's a piece that's okay. Because we'll dry it more and it'll become chips. Of course, the chef always gets a little taste. That is good in the neighborhood. So, I made some guacamole, of course. I made it with extra cilantro because there's no herbs in the bread, and sometimes I like to add herbs. So I put extra cilantro, and I put some heat in here. And then I have, I also made some artichoke puree. So that's going to be the 2 sauces that are going on here. I got some broccoli sprouts and this beautiful heirloom tomato. And you guys know how I feel about the heirloom tomatoes. So I'm just going to cut the end off of this. And then I'm going to use my serrated knife. You guys know, oh boy, there's a little bit of a bad piece that we're going to cut out, but I'm certainly not going to waste this whole beautiful tomato. So, let's slice this. I want to do it pretty thick slices. How's everybody doing today? Hi, Cindy. How are you? Oh, I'm happy you caught me live too. That's awesome. First time? It's alright. If you don't catch me, you get to watch me later. Okay, so I'm going to take some of the guacamole and I'm going to put it on 1/2 of the onion bread. And I'm making 2 because, of course, my love is over here with me. He's the cameraman today. I like it when I have a cameraman. All right. Who else? Hi, Jody. Hi, B. I know these tomatoes be looking good, right? Okay, so I kind of want to spread this a little bit. Right. Maybe a little bit more over here. So nothing misses a bite. And then, you guys know I got chips, right? So we got a little bit of extra guacamole here to dip those chips into. Yesterday we used the thicker dressing from our salad. So that's going to go on the table. Put that in there. And I'm going to do the other half of the bread with the artichoke puree. Check that out. Oh yeah, B, you and that guac. I know. You love guac. You love avocados, period. You missed the ones from Sarasota. Oh my goodness, were those beautiful. Okay. I use a bigger spoon to spread this out. Again, every bite is going to get a little bit. So, for those of you that missed the onion bread yesterday, go on out and check it so you could learn how to make it, and you too could make your own sandwich. And what you put in your sandwich is up to you. I kind of did what I had at home. All right. I'll be licking those spoons later. All right. So I'm going to put the tomatoes in the front. Kind of spread them out. Yes, I am. Oh my goodness. Check that out. Kind of cheating a little bit over here. Then, you know tomatoes are good with a little salt. So, even though everything else has a little bit of salt, I kind of want to put some on my tomatoes. Just sprinkle a little bit. Ooh. Yummy, yummy pink salt. Yes, Jody, it is. I made the onion bread yesterday, so go back and look at the video if you didn't already. I think you were there live yesterday. So, the recipe is on the video from yesterday. And, yeah, I'm making the one that's super soft still, so it's still flexible, as you can see. More for me. And now, the last ingredient is gonna be, look at those sprouts, broccoli sprouts, yummy. They got some roots in there. So this is like the food of the gods over here. It's gonna be like a sandwich more than a wrap. Jody. My beautiful friend. You guys should check her page out. What is it called? Post it as a comment, Jody, so everybody could go and check it out. So I might as well use all of this up because it's so good. So, give my hands a rinse. guys what this looks like. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that looks. That's like picture worth it right there. Whoa. That's all right. No worries. What I don't eat, what doesn't go in my mouth, it'll go inside the sandwich. And now, all you have to do is fold it over and check out that humongous sandwich we're going to have for dinner here. Is that crazy? Check that out. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, man. I can't wait to bite into that beautiful sandwich. Now, fold this one over. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. You guys. Can you believe that? Humongous. Danny, I know. Yummy to the tummy. That's my sandwich, you guys. I'm going to cut it in half over here, so it's easier to handle. It's gonna be messy, but it's gonna be good. Check that out. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, man. Holy moly, guacamole. So, that was the story that I forgot to tell you yesterday. Also, that I made that loaf instead of making them all flat like this. The other one that's left over, I'm going to turn the dehydrator back on. I turned it off so it wouldn't be so loud. I'm going to turn that back on, and the leftover one will be crispy. And then the loaf, you want me to show again? Here's what that loaf looks like again. You see that? I sprinkled some seeds on top when I made the loaf, and then I kind of pressed it down and I flipped it over, right? So it's still really soft, but when it's done, it'll cut like bread, so you'll have slices of this. And you could do the same thing, put some guacamole or whatever you want, and enjoy it like a bread more type, so it's thicker. Righty? So, that's what I got. We had some papaya with pomegranates earlier, so I saved the seeds. Those are in the dehydrator also to add to my look at that, and that goes in my pepper grinder, and could go into smoothies if you put it in your coffee grinder and grind it up ahead of time. Put it in here. So I always save my papaya seeds. That's it for today, you guys. I'm being cute to take a big bite, but I don't think I'm going to do that on camera today. It's going to drip all over the place. Sorry. So anyway, that's it for today. As you can see, this beautiful sandwich I made with that onion bread I made yesterday. And this guacamole. Let me see if there's any questions here. Oh, yeah, definitely, Danny. You're going to need some of that onion bread, so go back and watch that video and make some. It takes at least 24 hours to dehydrate. Yes, Jennifer. Hi. Yes, it is yummy. If you just tuned in, you might want to go back to yesterday, watch the video from yesterday, and definitely try it out. Hi, Cindy. Oh, I said hi to you already. Anyway, so, yeah. Go back and watch the onion bread if you didn't watch the live yesterday, and try to make some for yourself at home. You're going to enjoy it. I promise you it's going to be good. So I'm going to leave you with that. If you don't already like my page, please like my page, and also follow my live videos so when I come on, you get that alert, ding, 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 she's on. Because like today, I just last minute decided to let me show them how to do this sandwich. Alrighty. Thank you so much for having me. Have a good one. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and I'll make sure to answer them.